Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Vic Moreno Stay Fit. Today's video is gonna be all about working out my chest area, my arms, my biceps, triceps, and my legs. I'm gonna be doing push-ups and I'm gonna be doing squats. All video, 5 minutes, 6 minutes long. It's gonna be all about squat and push-ups. So before we start, which I'm gonna be going outside, subscribe to my channel and support my work. I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much. See you later.
fired. When I close my eyes, disconnected and tired. I see shots fired. It's just fired. I was wrong, but I made it right. You came begging day and night. I don't wanna hit the bottom, don't go out of your state of mind. I've been counting 1 to 10. I'll be back when you be dim. With my music again. I see, yeah, I see you go down. Yeah, I see you go down. I see, yeah, I see you go down. Yeah, I see you go down. And I know you keep asking me, flames and fire. I know you are done with me. It's just fired. I see you go down, yeah, I see you go down. I see you go down, yeah, I see you just fired.
Thank you so much for following along these exercises. I hope these are getting closer to your goal, which is getting fit, getting your athletic body. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Bye.
You are done with me. It's just fired.